Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Now let us talk about two tools that are very popular for software teams. The first one is Confluence and the second one is Jira. Both are made by the same company, Atlassian. Many development teams use them together. But if you are new, you might be wondering, what is the difference and why do they work so well together? So let us start with Confluence. Confluence is like a big shared notebook for your team, but it is not a physical notebook, it's online. You can create pages in Confluence to write down ideas, plans, meeting notes, and documentations. Documentations simply means instructions or guides that explain how something works. For example, if your team builds a website, you can have a Confluence page explaining how the website is set up, how to update it, and how to fix common problems. The good thing is everyone in the team can see it and everyone can edit it if they have permission. Now let's talk about the Jira. Jira is more like a task tracker. It is a place where you can create tasks, assign them to people, and track the progress. If you are a software team, you can create tasks for fixing bugs, adding new feature, or testing the software. Jira is very good at showing you what is being worked on and what is finished and what is still waiting to be done. Confluence has the free version, but if you want more control and more feature, then you have to join a paid plan. Other side, Jira also has the free plan, but similarly, if you want more feature and more control and more storage, then you have to buy a paid plan. So the simple difference is this: Confluence is where you store information and share knowledge. Jira is where you can track work or task. Now this time both Confluence and Jira are even more connected. For example, you can write a technical guide in Confluence and you can link it with Jira. And in this way, when someone works on the task, they can click the link and read the guide without searching for it. Now, why do development teams love using them together? Because they solve two big needs. Developers need a place to write down and share information, that is Confluence. And they need a place to organize the work and see the progress, and that is the Jira. Imagine you are building a mobile app. In Confluence, you write a page and you describe the app feature. You explain how each feature should look and work. Then in Jira, you can create tasks for each feature, assign them to developers. When a developer is working on a task, they can open the Confluence to see all the details when they finish. They mark the task as done in Jira. So Confluence is for information and Jira is for task. They are different tools, but they work best when they use together. Many companies say if it is not in Confluence, it doesn't exist, meaning all important knowledge should be stored there. And they also say if it is not in Jira, it's not being worked on. That means all tasks should be tracked there. The perfect combination for development team is to use Confluence to store the knowledge and Jira to manage the work. This keeps everyone on the same page, reduces the confusion, and makes project run smoothly. Alright, so this was the video, the difference between Confluence and Jira, and I hope now you understand how they work and what's the difference between them. So if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.